Why are we discussing about electricity? Because electricity is important. With electricity, you can be able to iron your clothes. You can be able to use your appliances. So what is electric current? Electric current is simply the rate of flow of electric charges through a conductor. A conductor is a material that allows electricity to flow through it. So you see, electric current is equal to the quantity of charge all over the time interval. The unit is coulomb per second or what? Ampere. So if you cause electrons to flow, you will generate electricity. Now you can ask me, where do we find electrons? We find electrons in matter. The universe is made up of matter. Matter is anything that has mass and occupies what? Space. Solid is matter, liquid is matter, and gas is what? Matter. So I'm going to be using a solid object to represent a conductor. For example, a metal. Now inside the metal, we can find electrons. I use these negative charges to represent what? Electrons. So if we can cause these electrons to move from one point to another in this conductor, we will be able to generate electricity. So for us to cause these electrons to move, we have to do work. And the work done on a unit charge, in order to move that unit charge from one point to another, is called potential what? Difference. The work done per unit charge. Sorry, this is not supposed to be time. It's supposed to be what? Charge. Sorry. The work on a unit charge is called what? Potential difference. The work done on a unit charge is called potential difference. So to move this from this point to this point, you have to do work. And then when you do work, the electrons will start moving. And when they start moving, you generate what? Electricity. You can actually do it at home. Get the cell. A cell is actually a device that converts chemical energy to electrical energy. The combination of a cell is called a battery. And then you connect the ends of the cell, the negative end and the positive end, to what? A bulb with a wire. You will notice that the bulb will glow, telling you that electricity was generated in the what? In the circuit. So the unit of potential difference is actually volt. So from here, we can make W, which is work done, subject of the formula. W will be equal to VQ, which is work done. And then we can say W is equal to V. Q from here, if you make Q subject of the formula from here, you have that Q will be equal to what? IT. So in most textbooks, you will see that W is equal to IVT. And this is actually the formula for electric work done. You will see this in most JAM questions and WAEC questions. So if you do want me to use this to solve problems for you, you would have to subscribe and then continue to follow me on social media. Thank you very much.